Hello there, this is Lokesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Lokesh. Today I'm going to do unboxing and in-PC review of Kaspersky Internet Security by Kaspersky Lab, the power of protection. Basically I am having the one device of 3-year license version and I have purchased this from Amazon India for rupees 845. Currently it is available about in rupees 900. Basically the reason behind choosing the internet security is basically it is also providing the antivirus feature as well as internet security feature also. You can unbox the box and then move toward the NPC review. So here on the front you will have the Kaspersky Internet Security written here. So there's one thing I would like to tell you, that if you are using the Windows 10, so it is compatible with that. So if you are using Windows 10, then without any issue you can just go with this internet security. And coming to the company profile, it is about 19 years old company and making the software since 19 years, the security software basically, and year by year they have continuously upgrading themselves, and currently well-known name in the industry of antivirus as well as internet security softwares. So here on the right side of the box you are having the sum of recommendations over here. You can read it for system requirements as well as Windows based desktop to desktop and Windows based tablets, Mac desktop icons as well as smartphone. On the back side of the box you will have the description about the type of security you have chosen. If you are having the Kaspersky antivirus, you have limited such kind of the security as well as performance and simplicity, and if you are having the version of internet security, you are having the more options than the antivirus, that is of security, performance, simplicity, PC, Mac for mobile as well as privacy, money and parental control. However, if you are having the Kaspersky total security, you will have much more options than the internet security. But if you are not a too much pro user or you are using the device on the home basis, you can work in internet security. Basically the internet security is work upon the 7 basic features over like security, privacy, parental control, performance, simplicity, money as well as the PC, Mac, mobile. The money is the option of after installation, like save money icon you will have on the desktop, and the secondly you will have the protection regarding the private connection as well the connection. So let's open up the box. First of all, you will have inside the box the quick start guide and having this serial key again over here, and secondly you will have the disk inside here. And let me show you the disk over here. Here it is, the installation disk. So let's go to the installation and let me come up with the description with in PC review. So here I am with the in-depth PC review. In the main screen you are having this all options over here after installation, and I will tell you about all these options. The scan option you are having for the more 4 sections also here, like full scan if you want to scan for the full PC scan, quick scan for the objects as well as application scanning over here. For the selective scan you can go ahead with the drive as well as a particular folder over here you want to scan over here, and external drive scan is just basically for the USB drive, USB storage drives also, and for the external hard drives if you are, or micro SD cards you are inserting over here. So basically you can go ahead for the scanning. And for the save money you will go ahead for the online transitions basically, and this basically how, if you click over here, it will tell us that how it works. Like when you are going to pay online, we prompt you a new open protected browser basically, so that will be the secure transitions of your online transition over here. So if you are going to do an online transaction, so this software is going to protect you from that. Privacy protection is basically for the webcam access as well as during web browsing. So particularly what you are going to access, that is the only specific, and no external browser or any kind of external add-ons. Basically the auto opening browsers behind the main window, they basically the reason for the virus. So basically this also privacy protection as well as the manual protection protects you. In the parental control, there is a lot of password as well as, so nobody can change your settings also, and your overall protection criteria what you have set it over here, that will be there under parental control. For protection of all devices, here you can just open up and access for the, if you are having the license of multiple, basically this can also work open with your further devices if you are going to add like mobile phones and all. Basically this option is for settings, is basically meant for the overall security instructions as for your settings. Like for the in the general settings you will have the interactive protection, like perform recommended actions automatically regarding like when you are going to scan, and when there is a all automatic scan, as well as the infected objects you want to directly delete, not to keep over here without viewing over them, then you can click over here or cancel it dependingly. For the protection you can just have the many options like on and off, like file antivirus, web antivirus, application control, firewall, private browsing. For the performance purposes, you can just check out the options over here, like perform idle scan and all accordingly. In the scan you can just take out the security level over here, like which kind of security you want to have, like high security recommended, low or medium, what kind of security you want to have this. And there is a scan automatically, threat detection direct, and here lots of options, you can check out them. And in the additional settings you can have like updates and secure data inputs and all that. So it is all. Now I wind up the unboxing as well as the in-PC review of Kaspersky Internet Security by Kaspersky Lab. If you like my video, just click on the subscribe button and hit the like button also. And if you are having any query or any kind of suggestions regarding the video of upcoming videos, please comment over the comment section. And you can also follow me on the Facebook as well as Twitter. The link is given in the description. For the further, if you want to purchase this from any e-commerce site, I have also provided the link in the description also, so you can directly just check out the product from there. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Keep living the technology.